Are you struggling to understand how to get a digital signature certificate? You're not alone. Today, we will simplify this process for you. A digital signature certificate, or DSC, is essential for signing documents online. In India, it's legally recognized under the Information Technology Act. If you're planning to incorporate a company or file forms on the Ministry of Corporate Affairs portal, you need a DSC. Let's break down how to apply for a digital signature certificate step by step. First, understand the types of DSC available. There are three main types: Class 1, Class 2, and Class 3. For business purposes, Class 3 is necessary. This class offers the highest security for e-filing and online transactions. Next, choose a certifying authority. Only authorized bodies can issue a DSC. In India, options like eMudhra, SIFI, and Capricorn are popular. You'll need to visit their official websites to apply for a Class 3 DSC. After that, select the type of applicant. Choose whether you are applying as an individual or on behalf of an organization. For company incorporation, select the individual option, as DSC is issued under a person's name. Now, it's time to fill out the application form. Be ready to provide personal details like your full name, PAN number, date of birth, email ID, and mobile number. Double-check that all information matches your identity documents. Then, upload the required documents. You must include a self-attested copy of your PAN card as identity proof and a valid address proof, like an Aadhaar card or utility bill. A passport-sized photograph may also be needed. Next is video verification, known as eKYC. This step requires you to record a short video showing your original PAN card and confirming your identity. It ensures that applicants are genuine and prevents misuse. Once you complete the application, make the payment. The cost for a digital signature certificate ranges from 500 rupees to 2000 rupees, depending on the certifying authority and validity period. Payments are made online via debit or credit cards, or net banking. After payment, the certifying authority will verify your application and documents. If everything checks out, your application will be approved, which usually takes a few hours to 2 days. Once approved, you'll receive instructions to download your digital signature certificate. It can be stored on a USB token or directly on your system, depending on the provider. You may also need to install specific software to use your DSC. Finally, start using your digital signature certificate. It's now ready for signing documents on the MCA portal and filing your company incorporation forms securely. In summary, remember these steps: understand the DSC types, choose a certifying authority, fill the application, upload documents, complete video verification, make payment, wait for verification, and then download and install your DSC. Now that you know how to apply for a digital signature certificate, what are you waiting for? Start your application today to make online signing easier than ever. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content.